Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tabby. If you're new here, welcome. Today I'm going to do a very difficult video for me because I'm choosing top 5 Teami products, and that is very difficult. So if you know me, you know I love Teami, I love tea, I love beauty, and I love wellness. So all of this is perfect for me. I can say honestly that I've tried pretty much most of their products, not everything, but most of their products. So I would be a very good judge of what's great and what I think are the best products for you guys. And for me, again, it's personal preference, but I'll tell you guys the top 5 products that I think that you should get, and it's very much worth your money. And then there's some products that I think are pretty darn good and some that I personally won't buy again, but we can do another video on that. But today I'm gonna focus on the top 5. Now, before I get started, I really wanted to share with you guys, with my Teami lovers out there, there is a great sale going on, and it's from 12/24 to January 1st, so December 24th to January 1st. Teami's having a huge sale. Now, they had a sale for Black Friday and I bought so many things, and this time around it's 50% off as well. So my code is TAB TABB50, and you guys can use that for 50% off, I believe over $100, and then I'll leave my regular codes after that down below. And yeah, I highly encourage you guys to use it because I do love these products and these are huge sales. So yes, so let's get started with the video. So a little backstory, I have been collaborating with Teami for about 2 years plus, and prior to that, before them reaching out to me to do the influencer program, I actually have already purchased and bought several of their products. So when they reached out to me, I was like, yes, please. So I'm gonna start off with my favorite, and a lot of these products are beauties, and you know they're known for their tea. I haven't included any tea in this because I honestly love most of their tea. My favorites are the Refresh, that's my favorite, the Boost, and the Bloom. Those flavors are so delicious. I'm an avid tea drinker, so check those out, but the 5 top products for me are actually beauty. All right, so let's get started. My favorite, number 1 favorite, is their Teemi Mist, the butterfly tea toner. It has butterfly flower and aloe vera in it, and I believe it has some witch hazel as well. This is not my first bottle. I actually have purchased this before, and I love this so much. And a lot of people don't really use toners because they don't really know what they're for, and toners are great for evening out skins, also getting excess residue and dirt off your face. I personally like to use this after I wash my face. I will put it on a cotton pad and I will wipe it over my face, and it takes off all the excess dirt. It also preps your skin for the next product that's going on your skin. I love the way this smells, and also, it's so dry, so if you have really dry skin, I also just spray this on my face as a refresher. So highly recommend this. This smells so good, and I also love that this is made out of glass and that you can reuse the bottle once it's done. I like to make little elixirs and little beauty product items. I like to put it inside these bottles, so this is great. My next absolute favorite is their Hibiscus vitamin C serum. This is collagen infused, and I love this because it has hibiscus, vitamin C. But if you guys know beauty, which I'm really trying to get into, taking care of my skin, I'm almost 40. I'm like, well, not really, 36, but if you round up. And vitamin C is so good for your skin. I had no idea about this. I always thought that I was going to stay youthful forever, and it really helps with collagen boosting. And vitamin C is just so great for also just pretty much everything, brightening your skin as well. But what I really like about this is the hibiscus flower. It's known as the Botox plant, and I don't have Botox, and I really do try to go the natural routes first, which is why I like Teami products, because it's really 100% natural. Most of their items are natural, and I do sometimes here and there use items obviously that are not all natural, but I really like that this is a great item for your skin, and it's good for your skin too. Next, I have the Soothe Tea Infused Oil. This is my favorite scent. As you can see, it's pretty much gone. I'm going to order it during the sale, but it's usually this beautiful blue, which I'll insert a video or picture right here. And it has, as you can see, tea infused oil in here. It's lavender and sage. I love the way it smells, and I love the way it soothes my skin. Oil's great that I use. I use it after my vitamin C serum. And I just pat it and it feels so good on my skin. But what I really like to use it for, and they don't really say this on the site, I don't think, but I like to put a little bit of oil, this dropper oil in my hands, and I like to put it on the tips of my hair so my hair isn't so dry, and it really gives a nice shine and moisture just to the bottom of your hair. So I really like this a lot. Highly recommend. They have the other flavors, rose and cinnamon, and then they also have the chamomile. I'm not a huge fan of the smell of chamomile, so personally that's not my cup of tea, but lavender and the rose and cinnamon I really like a lot. So alright, and a little plug, guys. If you don't like oils and you think that oils aren't great for your skin, Teami just came out with their Teemi Superfood Moisturizer, and it is great, guys. I don't like having things that feel super heavy on my face, and this has avocado, matcha, and hemp in it. It's great for all skin types. It's all natural, so you feel comfortable, like there's no synthetic smells in it. You feel comfortable that you have all natural products that are going onto your face, because remember, all the products that you put onto your skin is getting absorbed into your body. So you feel good that you have natural items that are being absorbed into your face. I've tried this for a little over a week or so, and so far my skin is loving it. It's not super cakey, it's not super like heavy on my face, but it feels great. So far I don't have any complaints. I'm actually really enjoying this a lot. I do have very dry skin in Colorado, so I actually put this after my oil, and it feels really good. Alright guys, if you're still here, number 4. Number 4 is the Teami Beauty Mask, any of their masks. This is the Restorative Clay Mask. I love the green tea mask, but I would say I choose this one over that one because this has zinc oxide, kaolin clay, butterfly pea, and the smell is beautiful. The scent is beautiful. It's all natural, animal cruelty free. And if you want a little pick-me-up for your skin, this is great to put on your face as a little pick-me-up. It creates brightness, it restores your skin. And this is a great mask that I have bought for my family and also for myself. I will continue buying this for a long time. This mask is really great just to feel a little pick-me-up in your skin. And you can use it more than once a week, but I like to use it about once a week, and then I use some other mask as well. So this is highly recommend. You can't go wrong with any Teami mask. Lastly, number 5. Number 5 is the Teemi Mixit. Now, I love this so much. I have a whole video dedicated to this product with Atlee. What I love so much about it is I drink smoothies about 2 times a day. JT and I make a vegetable smoothie, which is pretty bulky and big, but Atlee, especially my 4-year-old daughter, really loves smoothies. So I conveniently make her smoothies in here. You can charge it with a USB cord, and you can make your smoothie in 30 seconds. This is so convenient. This pops off from right here. It's all glass. What I love about it is when you're on the go, you can put your smoothie items in here, your fruit, your ice, your milk, and then take it to go. It lasts up to 5 hours. You just push the button twice and you got your smoothie. I mean, it's so sleek looking. This is so sleek looking. I mean, honestly, dishwasher safe. I don't have any complaints. This is a great product for you people that want to be healthy out there. Make your smoothie on your desk so there's no separation whatsoever. This is just great for pretty much the person that wants to be healthy and have a smoothie on the go. There's not much more I can say. So guys, yeah, that is my top 5 products from Teami. I do have a lot of other close favorites. If you're interested, let me know. I do have some products that I've tried and thought they were good, but not enough for me to buy. But that's all personal preference. So yeah, if you have any questions, leave them down below. I would love to answer your questions. And yes, I will see you in the next one. Bye!